It is really unfortunate. It is shameful to the whole society and humanity that such a brutal murder has taken place. That too, murder of a Jain monk who was so meticulous, religious, one who believed in non-violence. Such a great man is murdered. The government of Karnataka will take all necessary steps to investigate and book the culprits as immediately as possible.
But the BJP is saying that it's a failure of the government's
How? No, they are in the habit of making loose allegations. It is unfortunate that this is the time we should show to the society that the whole system, political system, is against this type of actions, acts, crimes. And what we have to show to the people today is that we condemn such act. And our police, Karnataka police, have already arrested a couple of them, and in days to come it will complete the investigation with all success. But investigation, all this is another thing. But what is primary is such brute murder taking place, that too of a Swamiji, is very unfortunate.
So my last question to you about the Supreme Court decision today about the ED director. Supreme Court categorically said that the extension of ED's director tenure was completely illegal, and they have cut it out his tenure from November to July.
The Congress stand is vindicated. What Congress was telling, that is what is now told by the Supreme Court.
And my last question is, you are a leader of Karnataka, you are minister from Karnataka, and the Congress is hosting opposition meet in Bengaluru itself.
Yes.
So how positive that meeting going to be? Because
it is going to be very positive meeting, and that meeting will give a great line for the victory of opposition parties and coming back to seat of power.